Good morning, students, and welcome to the summer course.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good
Good
morning.
morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. So, hi, students. I am Sunit Kumar, your mathematics teacher. So, I'll continue with linear equation in one variable, students. So, we'll do the questions, the word problems which we are doing in the previous class. We'll continue with that. So, today we'll try and finish every type of word problem or applications of real life examples. Let's start the class, students. So as I said, we'll start with this chapter, linear equations in one variable. And today is our lecture 7 of this particular chapter. So prerequisite for today's class, student, is we should know how to solve linear equations. And today what we are going to do is we are going to continue with word problem application of linear equations, real life applications. So let us start with a question. Okay. So you have to attempt this question first. Okay, then I'll discuss this. So I'll just read the question for you. Am I audible to everyone? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So divide 1380 among Ahmed, John and Babita so that amount Ahmed receives is 5 times as much as Babita's share and is 3 times as much as John's share. So basically you have total amount 1380. Just a sec. Yeah. So total amount is 1380, right? And it has to be divided in Ahmed amongst Ahmed, John, and Babita. Okay. So and the ratio in which it has to be divided, the way it has to be divided is mentioned here. Ahmed receives 5 times as much as Babita's share and 3 times as much as John's share. Okay. So step one, read the question, note down what is given in the question and try to, make a mathematical equation, to try to form a mathematical equation and then solve that equation. Please attempt it. Have you been able to understand the question, or you want me to do the first one for you? Okay. So Lokesh, Venpa, Isabel and Sudipti, shall I start this question? Okay, let me
Yes,
start this question. Yeah. So
Sir,
1380, this is the amount which we have to divide amongst these three person. Now amount that Ahmed receives is 5 times as much as Babita's share. So let Ahmed's share let Ahmed's share be rupees X. Okay. And Ahmed receives 5 times as much as Babita's share. So Babita's share will be X by 5, because Ahmed is 5 times more than this. So if Ahmed's share is X, then Babita's share will be X by 5. And then John's share, this will be now Babita's share and 3 times as much as John's share. So Ahmed's share is 3 times as much as John's share. So John's share will be X by 3. Is this clear to everyone? How I got x, x by 5 and x by 3?
Yes, sir.
Now, the sum of all of this is going to be equal to 1380. So x plus x by 5 plus of x by 3, this is equal to 1380, right? Add them together. So you take 1 as denominator here, 15 will be the LCM. So this is 15x plus of 3x plus of 5x is equal to 1380. Correct? Now,
Sir, my answer is coming.
what answer are you getting?
Sir, Ahmed's share is 900,
Yes.
Babita's 180, and John's share is 300.
Yes, correct. Very good. So now 15 plus 3, 18 plus 5 is 23x. 23x over 15 is 1380. So x will be equal to 1380 into 15 divided by 23. Right? So now 1380, if you divide it by 23, you will get 60. So 60 into 15 is 900. So you have got Ahmed's share now as 900. So this is 900. X by 5 will be 900 by 5, which is equal to 180. X by 3 is 900 by 3, which is equal to 300. So each of these shares, you have got it. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? Okay. Please note this down.
Noted.
Okay, let's go to the next one now. Now, second question you will have to try on your own. Okay. Try it at least. Try to understand the question, read the question, understand the question. I will help you, but you have to first try to read it and understand on your own. These are all different kinds of difficult word problems or application based questions. Try to form the equation at least. I'll explain you the question once. The question that says that the distance between two stations is 340 kilometers. Okay. So for example, these are two stations A and B, and distance between these two stations is 340 kilometers. Correct? Now two trains start simultaneously from these stations on parallel tracks to cross each other. So there is this train A which is going in this direction, and then train B which is going in this direction on parallel tracks. Right? So this is the track for train A and this is the track for train B. Right? The speed of one of them is greater than that of the other by 5 km per hour. So if speed of A is x kilometer per hour, speed of B will be x plus 5 km per hour. This is what is given, right? The speed of one of them is greater than that of the other by 5 km per hour. If the distance between the two trains after 2 hours of their start is 30 kilometers. So let's say train started here, the train A has reached here and train B has reached here. And the distance between these two trains, right? Distance between these two trains after 2 hours is 30 kilometer. In 2 hours, they have traveled this distance as well as this distance. So we know that the formula says distance is equal to speed into time. Correct? Now, so here this distance, the distance which train A covers, so let's say this point is C, this is D. So distance AC will be speed into time, that is x into 2. X is the speed and they are moving for 2 hours. And the other train will cover the distance x plus 5 into 2. Is this clear? Now, if you add all these distances, AC plus CD plus DB, total distance AB will be equal to AC plus CD plus DB. Correct? Now, AB is what? 340 kilometer, which is x into 2 plus of 30 plus of x plus 5 into 2.
Sir, answer is 80 kilometer per hour.
Yeah, so answer is 75 kilometer per hour and 80 kilometer per hour. These are the speed of two trains.
Okay, sir.
So here you can see this is 340 will be equal to 2x plus of 30 plus 2x plus 10. So this is 340 minus 30. Sorry. Let us add it first. 340 is 2x plus 2x is 4x. 30 plus 10 is 40. So you will get 340 minus 40 is equal to 4x, or 4x is equal to 300. X is equal to 300 upon 4, that is 75. Okay, so speed of each train. So if x is 75, x plus 5 is going to be 75 plus 5, which is equal to 80. So speed of one train, if it is 75 kilometer per hour, the speed of other train will be 80 kilometer per hour. Is it clear to everyone? Have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Venpa, Isabel, Sudipti, have you also understood? Good.
Sir, can you repeat?
I'll repeat it. See, the question says the distance between two stations is 340 kilometer. Let's say there is one station here, other station here. The distance between these two stations was 340 kilometer. This is station A, this is station B. Now, there are two trains who are moving in opposite directions from station A and station B. They start at the same time. Speed of one of them is greater than the other by 5 km per hour. So speed of A, if I assume to be x km per hour, speed of B will be x plus 5 km per hour. If the distance between the two trains after 2 hours of their start is 30 kilometers. So now the trains have started moving towards each other, and after 2 hours they are at a distance of 30 kilometers. So let's say train A has started from A, has reached C, and train B, which started on the opposite side, has reached D. The distance between CD is 30 kilometers. Correct? Now we know that distance is speed into time. The train which was moving with speed x has moved for 2 hours. So distance it has covered is x into 2. And the other train which has started with a speed of x plus 5, it has also covered 2. It has also moved for 2 hours. The distance covered is x plus 5 into 2. Now if you add all these distances, x into 2, that is AC, plus 30, that is CD, plus x plus 5 into 2. If you add all these distances together, you will get the total distance, that is 340. So this is how we have formed this equation. 340 is equal to x into 2 plus of 30 plus of x plus 5 into 2. Is this equation clear now?
Sir, 2
Yes,
into x is the distance between A and C.
Yes.
And how did you get that?
By speed into time, I have assumed that the first train is moving with speed x kilometer per hour and the time taken is 2 hours, that is given. Train after
sir.
2 hours. So
Okay.
distance would be speed into time. So let speed of, I'll write it here. Let speed of train A be x kilometer per hour and speed of train B be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So x into 2 will give you speed into time, the distance, traveled from A to C. And CD is already given that 30 kilometer is the distance which is remaining to be traveled. And BD is the distance. So speed of train B is x plus 5. It has moved for 2 hours. So x plus 5 into 2 will be the distance covered by the second train in that 2 hours.
Okay, sir.
All clear now?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone else? Okay. Venpa, is it clear to you? Okay. Let's move to the next question now. Now, this question is also very important and very important to understand. I'll give you the basics of this. So, steamer goes downstream from one point to another in 9 hours. What does downstream and upstream means? Let us understand this. Let's say we have a river like this where water is flowing in this direction. Okay. So, if the speed of stream, let's say, is 1 kilometer per hour. So speed of water which is flowing inside the river is 1 kilometer per hour. These are the two banks, river banks. Now there is a steamer here inside this, right? I'll draw something like a boat. Yeah, so this boat, now if this boat moves towards right, if the boat moves along the direction in which river is flowing, that direction is called downstream. And if the boat moves in opposite direction to the direction in which river is flowing, that will be called upstream. Is it clear? So direction along the river flow is downstream. Direction opposite to river flow is upstream. So when the steamer is moving along the direction of river flow, it will move fast because the river flow will assist the movement of the steamer. And if the steamer is moving in the opposite direction to the river, then in that case, the speed will be less. Why? Because a stream, that is river flow, will oppose the motion of the steamer. Is this point clear? Is it clear, students? Okay. Now, a steamer goes downstream from one point to another in 9 hours. So when it goes to downstream, it takes 9 hours. And when it covers the same distance upstream in 10 hours, while coming back, it takes 10 hours. Why it is taking more time? Because speed is less in downstream, in upstream. So when it is going against the flow of the river, it will take more time. That's why upstream time is more. And when it goes along the river, that is downstream, it will take less time, and that's why time is 9 hours there. Now find the speed of the steamer in still water and the distance between the ports. So let speed of steamer in still water be x kilometer per hour and distance between ports be d kilometer. Is it clear? Now, see, the time taken is equal to, if you find, distance is speed into time. So when it is going downstream, when the steamer is going downstream, distance d will be equal to, I'll write it, when steamer is going downstream, in that case, distance is speed into time. So distance is speed into time. So distance d will be, speed will be, now let's say the speed of steamer in still water is x. So downstream speed, I'll write it here. Downstream speed is x plus 1 kilometer per hour, and upstream speed will be x minus 1 kilometer per hour. Why? Because when the steamer is moving downstream along the river flow will add to the speed of the steamer. It will add to it, right? So if river was moving with speed 1 kilometer per hour and the steamer in still water moves with a speed x kilometer per hour, what will happen? River flow will add to the speed of the steamer, so that the steamer now moves faster. So when the steamer is moving downstream, it will move with a speed x plus 1 kilometer per hour. And in upstream, river flow is opposite to the flow of the steamer. So when steamer goes down, river goes in opposite direction, the speed will decrease. So there the speed will be x minus 1 kilometer per hour. We will have to subtract the speed of river from the speed of steamer in still water to get the upstream speed, because the direction is opposite. Is it clear? Students, is it clear? Upstream and downstream speeds. So when the steamer is going downstream, speed we will take as x plus 1, and time, because it is taking 9 hours, it will be x plus 1 into 9. This is your first equation. Now, when steamer is going upstream, so here the direction is opposite, right? So speed will be x minus 1. So distance is speed into time, that is x minus 1, and time taken is 10 hours when it is going upstream. So now this is your second equation. Now both of this, the distance travel is same in both the cases. So that's why we can equate these two equations. Distance is equal to x plus 1 into 9, and the same distance d is equal to x minus 1 into 10. So because they are equal to the same distance d in the LHS, the RHS can be equated. So from 1 and 2, we can equate the RHS, that is x plus 1 into 9 is equal to x minus 1 into 10. Is this clear, students? Now it is simple. We can just, now we can calculate this. We have 9x plus 9 is 10x minus 10. I will do rest of the calculations here. So we will have 9 plus 10 is equal to 10x minus x, or 19 is equal to x. So x is 19 kilometer per hour. So speed of steamer in still water is 19 kilometer per hour. Now we also have to calculate the distance, students. So in that case, distance is x plus 1 into 9. X is 19 plus 1 into 9, which is 20 into 9. That is 180 kilometer. Correct? So we had to find the speed of steamer in the still water, that is 19 kilometer per hour, and distance between the two ports, which is 180 kilometer per hour. Is it clear, students? Have you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Please note down the question and the explanation and the solution, because this is a very important question which you will come across also in class 10th when you are doing quadratic equation. Okay. So there also the same concept is applied. This will also help you understand questions in physics when you are doing motion in class 9th. Okay. So this is very important to understand these kind of questions, because this will help you till class 11th and 12th if you are taking science. Otherwise, till class 10th, definitely. So that's why these questions will help you build your foundation. And that's what we are doing extra from what is being done in school. Is this clear? Shall we move to the next question now? Isabel and Venpa, clear to you guys as well? Okay. Now the next question, the digit. Now what I have done is there are few questions now which we have discussed it earlier. So I'll give you some time to attempt these questions so that you can check your understanding on these kind of questions. We had done this reversing of digit kind of questions, right? What will happen when the digits gets reversed? Two-digit number, how to write the value of two-digit number by multiplying the units place digit with 1 and tens place digit with 10. You remember it, right? Have we done these kind of questions? Two-digit numbers, reversing the digits? I think we did it in the first class. Everyone remembers that? Okay. So please attend this. Okay, Sudipti. So I'll give you a minute to attempt these questions. So the question says the digit in the tens place of a two-digit number is 3 times that in the units place. So what we'll assume first, let the digit at units place be x, and then we'll have digit at tens place is equal to 3x, right? 3 times that in the units place. So this is 3x. Now if the digits are reversed, so see, if a unit digit is x and the tens digit is 3x, right? The number will have a value of 10 times 3x plus 1 times x, correct? And when the digits are reversed, x will come at tens place and 3x will go to units place. The number will be 10 into x plus of 1 into 3x, correct? So now If the digits are reversed, the new number will be 36 less than the original number. So this is the new number and this is the original number, right? So this is your original number and this is the new number after reversing the digit. So the new number is 36 less than the original number. So original number was 10 times 3x plus 1 times x. Yes.
Sir, is the number is 62 and reverse number is 26?
Yes, correct. Good. So this is the original number minus 10 times x plus 1 times 3x. This is the new number. So since new number is 36 less than the original number, this will be equal to 36. This is the equation. Till this point, is it clear to everyone how to form the equation? Is this clear? Ayush, Venpa, Isabel and Sudipti, is it clear till this point?
Yes, sir.
Sudipti, is it clear
So
to
why
you?
are we
Yeah.
subtracting the original number and the
Because it is said that if the digits are reversed, the new number is 36 less than the original number. So if original number was this, the new number is this, the new number, the gap, the difference between them is 36. You can write it other way also, that original number is equal to 36 plus new number. That is also one thing which you can write. The difference between these two has to be 36. You can represent it in any way. Clear?
yes, sir.
So now we have 30x plus of x minus of 10x minus 3x is equal to 36. So 31x minus 13x is equal to 36. So 31 minus 13, right? So this is 18. X is equal to 36. X is equal to 36 over 18, which is equal to 2. So the units place digit, right? Units place digit is 2 and tens place digit is 3 times 2, that is 62. So this is my original number, and reverse digits, this is 26. Difference between these is 36. You can check it. Is this clear now?